Your heart is racing. Your palms are sweating. Your phone just buzzed with a notification you haven't opened yet. Nothing is chasing you. No claws, no teeth, just a small glowing rectangle in your hand. But your body doesn't know that. Your body is running the same program it ran 200,000 years ago when a lion really was crouched in the grass, and that program has never been updated. Why does your brain still think you're being hunted? The answer starts in a part of your skull the size of an almond. It's called the amygdala. Two of them, actually, one on each side of your brain. Their job is simple. Scan everything around you. Decide in a fraction of a second whether it's a threat. Sound the alarm before you've even had time to think. Neuroscientist Joseph LeDoux spent decades studying this exact structure. His research showed something unsettling. Fear doesn't start in the thinking part of your brain. It starts in the amygdala, and it can hijack your entire body before your conscious mind even catches up. You feel afraid before you know why. That's not a flaw. That's the point. 200,000 years ago, hesitation was expensive. A rustle in the grass could be wind, or it could be a predator. The humans who paused to think it through, who waited for certainty, were the ones who didn't survive to pass on their genes. The ones who flinched first and asked questions later, they lived. So evolution built you a shortcut. Skip the reasoning, trigger the body, flood it with adrenaline and cortisol, spike the heart rate, sharpen the senses, prepare the muscles to run or fight, all before you've consciously registered what you're even reacting to. This is what scientists call the fight-or-flight response, first described over a century ago by physiologist Walter Cannon. And here's the strange part. Your body still runs it today, for almost none of the threats it was built for. Stanford neuroendocrinologist Robert Sapolsky has spent his career comparing human stress to that of other animals. His observation is simple and a little haunting. A zebra's stress response turns on when a lion appears and turns off the moment the danger passes. Yours turns on for an email, and it doesn't always turn off. Think about the last time your chest tightened. Was it a predator? Or was it a notification, a deadline, a message left unread, a comment under a post you made? Your amygdala can't tell the difference. To your ancient alarm system, a critical tweet and a hungry lion triggered the exact same biological cascade, same racing heart, same shallow breath, same flood of stress hormones preparing you to run from something you can't actually run from. This is why modern anxiety feels so physical. It's because it is physical. You're not imagining the tightness in your chest when you open your phone before bed. You're running a 200,000-year-old survival script in a world that no longer has lions in the grass, but has something your brain treats as just as urgent. Uncertainty, judgment, rejection. Psychologists have a name for this mismatch, an evolutionary mismatch, where the environment changes faster than the biology built to survive it. Your ancestors' world was full of physical dangers with clear resolutions. Fight it, flee it, or it passes. Your world is full of ambiguous, ongoing, unresolvable ones. A conflict with a coworker doesn't end when you run away from it. It just waits in your inbox. So what do you do with a lion detector that fires at emails? You can't turn it off, but understanding it changes what it feels like. That racing heart before you open a difficult message isn't a personal weakness. It's not a sign that something is wrong with you. It's your amygdala doing exactly the job it evolved to do, just aimed at the wrong century. The next time your chest tightens over something that can't actually hurt you, notice it for what it is. Not danger, just an old alarm, ringing in a world it was never built for. Tonight, when your phone buzzes and your heart jumps before you've even looked at the screen, remember this: there is no lion in the grass. There never was. It's just your ancestors still trying to keep you alive.